Let me guess, it is Thanksgiving Day, you've just had 2 servings of turkey, a mountain of stuffing, some candied yams, and now you're feeling uncomfortably full. You are regretting that 3rd helping of pumpkin pie. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Hi, I'm Dr. Sethi, a board-certified gastroenterologist. I specialize in gut health and digestive wellness. Today, I'm giving you 5 practical strategies to help you enjoy every bite of your holiday meal without the post-dinner bloat. But first, sign up in the link below for weekly gut health tips from the Healthline Digestive Health newsletter. Why does holiday bloating happen? Let's start with what is actually happening inside your body. The average Thanksgiving meal can add up to over 3,000 calories, almost double the recommended daily intake for many adults. Your stomach normally holds about 2.5 ounces when empty, but can stretch to hold up to a quart of food. That's a major expansion, and it puts pressure on your diaphragm, leading to that tight, uncomfortable, bloated feeling. Let's start with this. Do you know your personal bloating triggers? For many people, it is dairy, gluten, high-fat foods, or even beans. And guess what? Thanksgiving is filled with these foods. Creamy casseroles, cheese and cream, stuffing, white bread and gluten, pie, sugar, plus whipped cream on top. Are you seeing the pattern here? Here is a quick tip. Before the big meal, run through your personal gut checklist. If dairy gives you trouble, maybe skip the cheesy potatoes this year or try going lactose-free. If you are not the one preparing the meal, bring a dish or two that might not contain your bloating triggers. Now, many of us have had this idea. I'm not eating all day so I can go all in at dinner. When you delay eating all day, your hormonal signals go haywire. You are more likely to overeat, your stomach floods with acid, and digestion becomes sluggish. Instead, eat smaller, balanced meals throughout the day. Add in a healthy fat, protein, and some fiber. A breakfast with avocado toast or oatmeal, or a midday snack of hummus and veggies, then come to dinner already feeling satisfied. Another thing I recommend to my patients dealing with bloating during the holidays is to swap out some of those bloat-producing dishes. Let's do a Thanksgiving food swap together. Here is your classic plate. Buttery mashed potatoes, cheese-loaded green bean casserole, sausage stuffing. And here is how to make it more gut-friendly. Roasted sweet potatoes with a dash of cinnamon, sauteed green beans with garlic and olive oil, whole grain stuffing, or wild rice pilaf. You're still getting that warm, nostalgic flavor, but with less salt, dairy, and fats. Adding 1 cup of leafy greens like a kale or arugula salad before your main meal can significantly reduce post-meal bloating. Why? Leafy greens are high in insoluble fiber and water content, which helps keep food moving through the GI system. Think of it like a broom for your gut, sweeping things along naturally. The order of what you eat can make a difference as well. Try this. Start your Thanksgiving plate with a small spinach salad with olive oil and lemon. It will prime your gut for what's coming. When you eat fiber-rich foods first, for example leafy greens, it slows the absorption of fats and sugars. Your blood sugar stays stable and your gut doesn't overreact. Your gut is smarter than you think. It just needs the right order of operations. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, alcohol. Now, I'm not here to kill the holiday vibe, but I'm here to protect your gut. Alcohol causes intestinal inflammation, slows digestion, and dehydrates your body. That is a bloating trifecta. So, here is your game plan. Limit to 1 or 2 drinks max. Alternate each alcoholic drink with a full glass of water. Choose dry wine or clear spirits over sugary cocktails. And here is a tip, add lemon to your water. It not only enhances flavor, but may help stimulate digestion. Alright, Let's put this all together. Let's summarize your Thanksgiving anti-bloat action plan. Know your triggers. Avoid foods that irritate your gut, like dairy, gluten, or high-fat dishes. Do not starve before the meal. Eat balanced snacks throughout the day. Swap smart. Choose gut-friendly alternatives. Sweet potatoes, olive oil, roasted veggies. Start with leafy greens. A simple salad can work wonders. Limit alcohol and hydrate between drinks. You can enjoy your meal, your company, and your holiday without needing to lie on the couch in pain. What's one tip you're going to try this Thanksgiving to avoid the holiday bloat? Let me know in the comments.